What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. This Toyota key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2016. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if I grab the fob and we're looking at it like this, and then we take a look at the top of it, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm going to put it in that notch like that. Make sure you have it all the way pushed in there as far as it'll go in, and then just twist your screwdriver and it'll pop the shell apart like that. Now you can take it the rest of the way apart. Now we see our battery right here. If we're holding it like this with the circuit board on this side and the key ring to the right, what I'm going to do is take my finger and just kind of press on this side, this edge, and it'll pop it up out of that holder. You can get the old battery out. Now we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And what you kind of want to do is tuck this edge in first, tuck that down in there, and then snap it the rest of the way down into place. Make sure it's snapped down in that holder, and then we can put the shell back together. That'll just snap together. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.